Hello everyone, today I am going to explain about the Navajwara. Navajwara is also known as Samajwara. It is characterized by mild and uncomplicated course. It is considered as Alpahetu, Bahirmarga, Nirupadrava, Sukhasadhya and Lagupaka. The Chikitsa Sutra for Navajwara. Langhana. Benefits of Langhana are as follow. As Jwara is Amashayukta Vyadi, due to Langhana there is Doshanash and increase in Jataragni. There is Laguta, Kshuddha Pravritti and Ruchi Jagruta due to the Langhana. The Jwara, the Langhana is contraindicated are Kshayaja Jwara, Vataja Jwara, Bhayaja, Krodhaja, Kamaja, Shokaja Jwara and Shramaja Jwara. पाचन लंघनम स्वेदनम कालो यवागो अस्ति तिक्तकोरसः पाचनानि विपक्वानां दोषानां तरुणेजरा स्वेदन margavrodha is reduced yavagu with tiktaras dosha get pachana and leads to reduction of the symptoms. Tiktaras yukta jal is also given in pittaja and madhyapanajanya jwara. In kafaja and vataja jwara ushna jal is advised. Both are agnidipaka and jwaranashaka and have pachan properties. Hence perform the Shrota Shuddhi and Bala Pradanta. Use of Shadanga Paniya to reduce the Trishna. Ahar and Vihar contraindicated. Divasapna, Snan, Abhinga, Vayam, Krodha, Pravata, Kashaya Rasa and Kashaya Kwat are contraindicated. Kashaya has the property of Stambhana and Grahana, Grahi, that leads to Stabdata of Dosha, cause Vishamjara. Also contain Malavarodha, that is why Kashaya Rasa is contraindicated. Shodhana Chikitsa, only woman is indicated when Kapha is in increased and doshas are in Amashaya. That's all for Navajwara. Thank you very much. Subscribe to my channel.